Yeah, I know. I know a few things about energy because my dad told me about energy.
Yeah, nice to meet you. So I'm Leslie and this is Lily.
I'm in second grade and I'm 8 years old.
Good morning, everybody. Thanks for being here. My name's Grant England, and I'm really excited to share this Energy Monsters workshop with you today.
I wanted Lily to have an opportunity to connect with other kids, but also I really wanted her to understand how she can make an impact in saving energy.
Close the doors at all times. Close the windows when you're not using it. And don't leave the refrigerator door open because it'll help you save electricity.